Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. That's a very long name. And this one is in need of a new display. So let's try to fix it. Let's go. So this Redmi Note 10 Pro is kind of a cool looking device, but the front display is not really working, so we're gonna try to fix it. Here with David. And we're gonna try to remove the back cover first, see what we can do with the internal components. And of course you can see the battery, it's very big. We're gonna remove the screws from the daughter board. We're gonna unscrew the cover for the main board as well. We're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna remove the SIM card tray to gain access to the main board. Sometimes when you forget to remove the SIM card tray and try to disassemble the whole thing, it's not gonna fully disassemble because the SIM card tray is catching. See that the cover for the housing is really just a plastic around the sides. This is typical on your mid-range smartphones, and the corner is where you can find the connector for the display. So we're gonna try to test out the replacement display if it's gonna work, and it does. You can see the Redmi logo, the MIUI logo, and we have a successful boot up. I'm going to test the cameras. So this is going to be your main camera at the back, and once you swap it out, the front camera will face on the floor. You can see there, that's the front camera. It's now swapped. And now we can shut down the device through the power button and the display. I'm gonna detach it. Then detach the connector for the battery. And now we can proceed now to the removal of the broken display. Just gonna pry it from the side. Always be careful when you want to do this yourself. Make sure you have gloves like David has here. It's a thick one so that you don't cut yourself with maybe shards or broken glass. And it's easy. Not much of resistance from the adhesives. Now we can clean up some residue that may have been left behind. You can scrape it off and brush it. We're also going to clean the charging port. This may also have some lint on it, some corrosion. Just added maintenance, and then we can put liquid glue to attach our replacement display. We're now ready to finally install it, align it, and then press it in. It's all good now. We have attached the connector for the battery and the display, and then we're gonna attach the connector for the fingerprint scanner to the main board. It's very flimsy, so be careful on that one. And then we're gonna try to clip it from all sides, and we're almost done. So if you have the same issue with your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro or other Xiaomi devices, you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You can't really find a lot of repair centers that offer these kinds of repairs, especially on entry-level or mid-range smartphones. You can find flagship repairs for Samsung and Apple, but with the Xiaomi or Oppo or OnePlus, Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers a lot of reasonable rates for these kinds of devices. We're gonna install the SIM card tray, close up the device, and this one is gonna be ready for the client. We'll clean it up. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This one is just one of many smartphones that we have fixed here in the shop. And if you enjoy this, stay tuned. We also upload this on Facebook. So if you are active on that platform, you can also follow us. Send us a message through Messenger. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.